Siyempre, kailangan lahat kumanta. Kaya ba?
Siyaw. Siyaw.
Ay, sayaw. Ang inasal.
Asa na? Anong nangyari?
Chairman.
Ay, hello.
Hello. My dad was in
Behave, ha?
Pikachu.
Chairman.
Behave. You will sing. Okay, Lydia. Kantay mo buo. Sasabayan ninyo siya mamaya doon sa My Change Our God.
Okay.
Second and third.
Tinunusan yung pag-blend.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. What grace that taught my heart to fear, and grace my fears relieved. A precious deed that grace appeared. The hour I first believed. My chains are gone, I've been set free. My God, my Savior, has ransomed me. And like a flood, His mercy reigns, unending love, amazing grace.
Amazing grace. Ang tagal. Asa na?
The Lord.
Verse 3. From the top.
The Lord has brought His Son to me. His word my own Savior's. He will my shield and fortress be. As long as life endures, my chains are gone, I've been set free. My God, my Savior, has ransomed me. And like a flood, His mercy reigns, unending love, amazing grace.
Unending love.
Amazing grace.
Unending love.
Amazing
Nasa study ang ating presentation. Okay, palakpakan naman natin sila. Salamat mga anak. Gusto mo na palakpak. Pakibigyan niyo yung resulta kay Sister Lay. Thank you, children.
Maybe the office. Yes, maybe.
Exactly.
Enough kasi sumisigaw na kayo, mas malakas pa yung kanta niyo dun sa